gum. Can't be a CPUspeed motovlog without chewing gum and annoying people, but chewing gum. Hey people, welcome to another episode of Riding on the Strom. We are at Soda Lake, and guess what? It's not a lake, it's some big white salt thing. So I'm gonna have to look it up and find out what this really is, but it looks like some kind of salt thing. But yeah, look at this area. So let's get back on the bike. It's a crispy 84 degrees out here. Watch me get hit by the one car traveling on this road within a 100-mile radius. Yep. So this is Soda Lake. How's everybody doing? Welcome to another episode of Riding on the Strom. I will be your host today for a wonderful motovlog on a road I've never been on. Now I did suss this road out on the map before I came out here, obviously. So I do know where I am going. And I am going south on Soda Lake Road, and this will get me off on 166, which will take me right to Highway 33, which you know from all my vids, that takes me home. Take me home. Very interesting. Well, now, driving up here, I did notice a dirt road that said no outlet. It wasn't private property, so I'm pretty thrilled about that. That might be something interesting to go down next time I visit this area. And this ride was actually recommended by one of my subscribers. Thank you for that. I'll put you up on the screen. But no, I don't know anything about this lake, and I didn't really think that there was a huge body of water out here anyway, so that's what you get. That's what you get on my channel. Really bad preparation for videos. Whoa, look at that dirt road. There's another dirt road. Oh. See, that's what I like to see. On 33, all it is private property, private property, private property. That one is just a mysterious dirt road that goes out in the middle of nowhere. And that's what the V-Strom was made for. I hope my backpack thing is, my top case is closed. Soda Lake. But the road here in our last video is fantastic, so sure to go watch that video. So this one might be a little bit boring. Nice to have this kind of visibility though. Wow, look at that. Rough road. Wow. I kind of want to head in that direction. That looks a little bit more friendlier. That looks more I'm going to die in a desert kind of road. That way looks a little bit... You're still going to die, but it's not going to be so bad. Not there. So let's talk Harleys. I did flash on something immediately when I saw the Pan America. Not the first time, but when the time recently when all the videos started coming out about the Pan America, it was irking me. I knew it reminded me of something. I couldn't put my finger on it. And then finally I figured it out. The front end, it looks like Robbie the Robot. So if you want a bike that looks like Robbie the Robot, get the Pan America. An homage to Robbie the Robot, who had a cameo appearance in Lost in Space episode, I don't know, and was the star robot in the movie Fantastic Voyage. Robbie the Robot.
Stop where you are. This is a warning. For the last time, stop.
I forget when Fantastic Voyage came out, but that was like the Star Wars of its day. When it came out, it was a pretty spectacular movie. Robbie the Robot, you know, it kind of blew people's minds. And even though the robot from Lost in Space gets a lot of mention, it was really the, you know, Robbie the Robot kind of came first.
You have destroyed me.
He did it! I knew he could!
Yeah, Pan America looks pretty cool. You know, I did do a little bit of a rant saying that it was too expensive. I made a joke that they added cost to the price. They added a bunch of fat to the price. They added an amount to the price to match the tariff that imported bikes have to pay to sell here because of them. To be like them. I'm sorry, I'm an old fuddy-dud. Things made in America should be cheaper than imported things, especially when those things have tariffs on them. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, not KTM, but BMWs and Triumph cost $4,000 more in America. But if they wanted to make a killing and really rock the boat, shave another grand off, maybe two. Holy shit. What the fuck is this? You kidding me?
Okay, hold it right there. We're going to interrupt the video here. I was going to put in a little bit of a clip or to talk about how to ride on a surface like this off-road on the V-Strom, but one of the people that I follow who I really like is Bret Tkacs. He just came out with a video about how to ride on this type of surface. It's much better than anything I can tell you guys. But I do urge you to go watch it if you're interested. Put a link in the description below. He did a really good video on this very same surface I was on. And very, very good timing. Very good timing. But thanks, and continue to enjoy the video.
I didn't know we were doing this. I hope during my rants and rave I didn't miss a turnoff, but I think we're okay. I think this just takes us where we're supposed to go. Well, this is interesting. I wasn't expecting this. But anyway, back to the Pan America. I think that they should have lowered the price a little bit. But it does look like a really great bike. I will give them that. Kudos to Harley Davidson for coming out with a new bike. So I think that speaks a lot more to it than anything else. That they were able to come out with a new bike like that. And supposedly another bike's coming out with that engine. But they really did step up and fill the void and do something modern. And it says a lot about them as a company and them, you know, in the future. You know, they came out with the electric bike and now they have the this bike. So I think it'll probably piss off some people that are typical Harley riders, but still they need to have more bikes available in their inventory. That's it. There's no problem with that. They can still have the old style bikes, but they can't have some new bikes as well. So kudos to that. So well, I hope I didn't miss a turnoff. And we're still on Soda Lake Road, because I feel pretty stupid if we were going the wrong way here. What does it say here? Highway 66, okay. Wow. Well, guys, this turned into, well, not much of an adventure, but that's what adventure. Ooh, sagebrush going across the. Is that too far away to see? Ooh, wind out here. That's great. That's all I need. Wow. And I thought this video was going to be over in 5 minutes. Now we got something to talk about. We're going off road on the V-Strom, everybody.
Whatever happened to CPUspeed? Well, he went out in the desert to look at some weird lake, and we never heard back from him again. He disappeared.
Nope, nope. So that guy's still in dirt. Wow. This is not cool, guys. I was not expecting this. Before anybody says stand up, yeah, it's kind of, you don't have to stand up on everything, especially when you've got 24 miles of this. I wonder what those big things are out there, though. Is that for water or something? As long as I stay in this track, I'm okay. This wind is killing me, though. And the fact that my tires are bald, oh, it doesn't help either. What's weird about this road is it keeps going from dirt to paved to what do you call it, washboard. Dirt to what one? Soda Lake Road, everybody, Soda Lake Road. Look at all the interesting stuff on the right and all the interesting stuff on the left. I'm waiting to see something a little bit more exciting than just more dirt. See, that doesn't look like a private road. So campgrounds, wow. I got a bug in my helmet. Look at this too. Well, guys, I don't think you want to see any more miles of this, so I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Ride safe.